How the fuck did I do? Break me, I knew. Every time I said the real, scared you out my.
We are going to the next door.
Missing that time for real, lying to you. But the things you do to me, I still think ain't right. You prove to me that it ain't your time. Missing my baby still, and God I pray I hear. Listen to God in my mind. In due time, due time I find you here. Due time will not get. Due time I find you here. Due time will not.
So the shoreline used to actually reach the edges of all of these mountains here. And the reason for that was because thousands of years ago, of course, we have lots of glaciers in Iceland. Then as the glaciers started to retreat and get smaller, the land started to come a little bit back up again, right? So this is thousands and thousands after World War II, after the Americans came here and built the airport in Keflavik. So before that, we were generally just fishermen and just farmers living day by day, living a very, very extreme kind of life.
I'll make you mad. Somehow I need to put you out my mind. Some nights I hear you talking in my mind. Oh, I miss a girl. Miss a woman like her. Cause I still care for you. I'm not making it right in your style. But the things you do to me, I still think ain't right. You prove to me that it ain't your time. Missing my baby still, and God I pray I hear. Listen to God in my mind. In due time I find you here. Due time will not get. Due time I find you here. Due time will not. All night we fun all night. I'll touch your thigh.
It smells like shit here. Jokes aside, it smells really bad. It's very beautiful. It's the first stop. I don't remember why we stopped here, but I assume that like after those mountains there is volcano that erupted in 2010, which made Iceland very famous. So that's why it's a place to see. It's so beautiful.
You mad? Shorty has some heart to lose. A nigga like me, she can't improve. Big giddy, it's all good on you. Shorty can't find a nigga like me, I get it. Shorty has some heart to lose. A nigga like me, she can't improve. Big giddy, it's all good on you. Shorty can't find a nigga like me.
This is 1,100 something steps that we are absolutely not doing. And this is a waterfall. You can see a rainbow. So exciting! So exciting!
Time I think about it, but you won't you buy it? Idea money, something that's between us. It's best between us, whatever free. If it's done, I did.
Wow! Wow! This is the other end of the. You see that? You see that? Yeah.
But things you do to me, I still think ain't right. You prove to me that it ain't your time. Missing my baby still, and God I pray I hear. Listen to God in my mind. In due time. In due time. In due time.
It's so beautiful. Can you see it? Baroshki.
Life is a marathon, a journey that we're always on. To the floor, hit the road, see everything under the sun.
So lucky with the weather. Oh.
Whoa, Keep on running, pick up the pace, won't come naturally. Gotta keep on running, hard work pays eventually. Keep up the pace. Take a moment to cool down, then get back on.
So we have glukkaveður. It just means window weather, and that just means that it looks really, really beautiful outside, but when you go outside it's freezing cold. So this beach is quite famous, and that is because the waves here are incredibly powerful. So on the right hand side we have a little island, and there we also have like incredible rock formations as well, and we even have the arch underneath which the ocean has basically carved out. Very, very hardy. So they only come in here, and that's basically to just lay the eggs on the sides of the cliffs, and the same with the Westman Islands. So you'll only ever see them by cliff edges, never anywhere else. They're incredibly small. They're a lot smaller than you think they're going to be, and their beaks are only orange in the summer. After that, the beaks are grey. So they are quite clumsy, very, very funny to watch when they're trying to take off. It looks like they're about to fall over. So they're incredibly cute, incredibly funny, and very hardy, very strong. And we also eat puffins. Yeah, I know. But in Iceland you can see how our environment is. We eat absolutely everything.
Gotta keep on running, heading towards your dreams. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep running, 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 running.
Basically, our guide told us that if you go into water, you're dead. That's it. No one came back alive.
It's not a question now. Gotta get to where I need to be. No questions. Life isn't one lesson. You can be who you want to be. Follow me. Oh. Keep on running, pick up the pace, won't come naturally. Gotta keep on running, hard work pays eventually. Take a moment to cool down, then get back on your feet. Gotta keep on running, heading towards your dreams. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep running.
Why are you falling?
Keep running. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep running, 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 running. Everybody keep. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep.
There was a Netflix movie. It's called this place. Check it out. The charge 200 local crowns for hot water. Everything is so expensive. Again, I couldn't eat anything. This contrast is so beautiful. That could be so romantic. See, I told you that could be romantic. It's only me and nature. What's that? Beautiful place for suicide. Amazing. Girl, what are you doing? That's too close. So close.
now you'll notice this sort of valley, and here on the left hand side you'll notice that we have a lot of rocks and a bridge underneath the road. So this is where the glacial water goes.
I didn't know that Glacier was actually included in the tour, so I didn't expect it to see. I was not interested in it in the first place. But yeah, it looks black because of the ashes from volcanic eruption, and it's melting, as you can see. Yep, the water also is this color because of the ashes. That's why I really was not interested to see that. I mean, for me it's just ice in water, and that's it. But I like the mountains. I think the mountains here are actually the most interesting part. Very beautiful. Woohoo. By the way, I think at night there was an earthquake. I'm pretty sure. I felt it twice because I wake up because of that. But there is another theory that I have a double bed. Maybe the bedmate was moving and shaking the bed. I'm not sure, but I think it was earthquake. She wouldn't move in a way that I would wake up. I've checked and there was an earthquake, but not at that time. So I don't know. I will assume it was an earthquake. So I went through 2 earthquakes at night.
Then also when we get glacial flooding, it also brings some of the rock with it. And then of course this is brought out to areas like this. So that's why it's really difficult to actually grow anything in this area. It's because continuously every few years we're having some sort of eruption. And of course it just destroys everything, and if not an eruption, then we're having glacial flooding. And then of course we have the wind, right? We have the wind coming from the ocean, which makes it again even harder to grow trees. But in this sense, the ground itself is quite rich in many nutrients and minerals, and it's actually quite good for growing grasses to the farmer, whether he wants to bring them for slaughter and sell the meat. So you can eat puffin, you can eat horse, and they are in the menus, and sometimes they are in the shops as well. So the horses are also special because they have a special walk. So we have this like tult, it's called, and that means that one hoof is continuously on the ground, which makes it really smooth and good. So horse riding could be quite uncomfortable. So a lot of people come here just for the horses. So people in Iceland were living as farmers and fishermen right up until the Americans came here during World War II and when they built the airport. So life here has changed dramatically. Before that, Reykjavik was basically just like a farm. But after the Americans came in here, and of course the English as well, they sort of developed Keflavik. And on the right hand side you can see some of our Icelandic horses. So I always blame it on, of course, their alcohol consumption, right? High levels of alcohol. Icelandic elves are kind of different to other elves in that they are sort of human-like. So they're the only ones in the world that are depicted as looking like. Lots of stories about elves, and nearly every place has some sort of a story with some sort of elves, which has to do about the hardships of living in Iceland. And of course, trolls as well are no different.
I'm swimming up in a waterfall. I don't know how to get what I need. So many fish out there in the sea. Is there one for me? Cause I crash every time, yeah, I freeze under fire. And I know I'm supposed to say what I want. Now there's you and there's me. Tell me, what do you see? I see love, so now I'm taking a chance. Give me a kiss, just like this. I don't wanna be here alone. Give me a kiss, just like this. I don't wanna be here alone. Give me a kiss, just like this. Give me a kiss, just like this. Now here I am in the deepest blue. Am I all alone? Where are you? Am I destined to be alone? I don't know. Give me a kiss, just like this. I don't wanna be here alone. Give me a kiss, just like this. I don't wanna be here alone. Give me a kiss, just like this. Give me a kiss, just like this.
I'm done with today. I'm so hungry.
Give me a kiss, just like this. I don't.
And that's it for this video. It's 7 AM. I'm going to a bus station. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Give me a kiss, just like this. I don't wanna be here alone. Give me a kiss, just like this. Give me a kiss, just like this.
Five, 6, 7, 8.
When we were in 7th grade, I knew every crush of mine. We'd always talk all night.